Hi guys, my name is Sergey Zotov. I am a filmmaker and DP from Cyprus. Today, we will talk about cinematic lighting and a booklight lighting technique. I will be talking about this cinematic technique using the location lighting of my real commercial project that we filmed in the studio for one of my clients from the Amazon Marketplace. Our video should promote a folder to store home recipes. Here is the story that we want to tell our viewers with this video. Morning. Man and woman are going to the kitchen to drink coffee. She wants to cook a delicious dessert for him, but she can't find the right recipe. He sees her embarrassment and gives her the folder for recipes. They both are happy. According to our plan, the shooting had to be done rather quickly since the time for renting the studio was limited. This meant that I didn't have the ability to change the lighting scheme much from scene to scene, so I chose booklight for the studio lighting of this video. Booklight is a technique in which we diffused a powerful beam of light twice. First, the beam of light bounces off a white surface, then passes through an additional diffuser, and we get a very soft enveloping light throughout the image. I took the Aputure 600D Pro, which has pretty high brightness and allows me to work comfortably with the amount of light needed for the scene. The Aputure 600D Pro lighted into bounce panels, and then the light passed through a butterfly frame with diffusion full silk. This gave me the opportunity to get great cinematic lighting for the video. I also used a pair of Nanlite Pavotube 30C to backlight the characters, and an Aputure Lightstorm C300D Mark II to add fill light when I needed it for the evening scene. I shot using Blackmagic Mini Pro 4.2K G2 with Samyang optics and a black Pro Mist 1/8 filter. Personally, I really like this combination of cinematic equipment. It gives a very good cinematic look at a not very high production budget. In conclusion, I should say that booklight is a favorite of many top cinematographers as it is easy to implement and very effective. It should also be noted that you can craft it with cheap lights from building stores and fabric silk, which is extremely useful in independent cinema. Of course, with Aputure equipment, you will have more freedom to control the light, but if you don't have it, use what you can use. Guys, always make your own movie. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, and don't miss new videos. See you soon.